Let me give you a quick demonstration on how to tack. I'm doing the shoulder, so it's only 8 feet. So I'm gonna use the main bar only. All the ones that are in white. This ones right here are my wings. This is how you control the wings. If you want to move the bar left to right, hit this switch right here, shift. This is the main power button. If I press this, it'll shut out everything. When you're ready to spray, you lift this one up. This is how it came out. It's a little heavy. I go in here and turn it down some. But yeah, that's how you do it.